Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesday. I save you time, I save you money. I feature some pretty cool car tech, and every once in a while I share my driving tips I learned on my family's go-kart track. Like today, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-point turn so you can pass your road test with ease. And as you can see, I'm on a very active street, and this is likely what you're going to run into. So my top tips that I can give you are: make sure your driving instructor doesn't try to trick you by taking you to a one-way street and then asking you to do a 3-point turn. Trust me, they will try to do that. Clearly you can't do a 3-point turn on a one-way street. Then also look for the signs, okay? Because not everywhere you're allowed to do a 3-point turn, so that's super important as well. And then understand your vehicle's spatial awareness. I have a medium-sized SUV, so I know my turning radius is wider. If you're in a car, it's gonna be much shorter and easier. If you're in a truck, it's gonna be even wider than me. And then understand your shoulders. As you can see, I really don't have a shoulder here. There's no walking path, no bike lane. I also don't have a soft shoulder, and I don't have a ditch, okay? This is important. If you live somewhere where it snows or with extreme weather, in those winter or fall months, you might not see that ditch. If you go to pull over, you might slide down. Okay, so again, be aware of your spatial awareness. And then driving instructors love it when your head is on a swivel, you're constantly looking around and using your turning signals. With those tips in mind, let's jump in the car so I can show you how to do a 3-point turn. Okay, so like I mentioned, I'm on a very active road. There's vehicles, there's pedestrians, there's people on bikes. So head on a swivel, constantly looking around. Use your mirrors. Your driving instructor will love it when you're using your mirrors. I'm currently right now pulled to the right-hand side. My right turning signal is on, and I know I'm in a mid-size SUV, so my turning radius is going to be a little bit longer and wider. So I'm going to signal left, check your mirrors, make sure you're all clear. Okay, now fully turn to the left with your steering wheel. There's a curb here, so again, look out for bikes, pedestrians. Then you're going to be going right, so turn the signal on the right, constantly looking around. Newer vehicles, you have sensors, so those will help you with curbs. Now you're going to be going left again, signal on, head on a swivel. Make sure you're constantly looking for that traffic, and just like that, you are done. Again, guys, your instructor is going to love it when you're constantly using your mirrors, you're looking around, using your turning signals. And please, if you live somewhere where it snows or with extreme weather, look out for the soft shoulders and for those ditches, because I've seen it happen. People can slide into it. But that's it. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesday or Future Car Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.